Hello there, welcome to Get Data Solution. Today we are going to see sales using symbols, where we will see the sales performance for 4 items: tractor, taxi, bus and minibus. We'll see the summary, how summary is actually created, the steps you use to create it, data entry page here, and the instruction page and benefit page. So we look into this for today. Let me start from data entry page. Here is a data entry page where we insert our data, the date of sales. In this particular case, we used for the month of January 2023. Then in the next column, we have month and year, which will automatically populate from the date function using the text function for the month and the year, which will automatically displayed. So we are expected only to write the dates. Then we'll insert the data for our products. In this particular case, we have a data for taxi, bus, minibus, and tractors. In fact, we have used a random number between 5 and 50 in this demo data, but in the case of actual, we will fill the sales of our products. So that is the data entry page. Coming to instruction page, we have here instruction as to how to fill in the data page, and here we also have a benefit page and for whom this is recommended. I will come back to this part. Let's go to the data page here. Once we fill this data page, in this particular case, as I've said, we have used random numbers, then the report will be automatically created. To create this, we have use this 10 steps process. The first one is to create a pivot table. Here is the pivot table created from the data. We simply insert our pivot from insert, and here is the pivot table that we have inserted. The second step is a link pivot table to the new table. That is, here is a pivot table, and here is the new table as a step 2. So we link this data with this pivot table for example, for taxi 907, here taxi is 907, for bus 795, and so on. That is a step 2. In step 3, we create donut chart, where we'll actually insert the donut chart from this, and then we'll take the last column, which is this column, and paste to just display the figures of our sales performance. In this particular case, for example, tractor data is 726. Then the next one is taxi 907. Then bus 795, minibus 739 of minibus were sold in the month of January. So we'll continue. So step 3 to 9 is spent on this chart, numbering and just formatting the chart. And the last one is we will add icon like this one, For that, we use window plus semicolon. Like for example, this then the icons will be displayed like this one, and then we'll select the appropriate icon. So as I've said, we use window plus semicolon. We can get this icon, as you can see, once we use this window plus semicolon. So that's how we are actually get this chart, which is very important to track sales performance. And this sales performance tracking system using a symbol is has many benefits. The first one is it is easy and convenient to enter data, and then to automatically update the sales, automatically generate sales by product. In this particular case, by taxi, bus, minibus, and tractor. Then donut chart will be updated, and it will save time, avoid manual calculations, simple to view by item or per product. It's also very convenient to share to our sales people, like salesperson, sales manager, and share sales teams. It's also useful to support follow-up on sale. Let team to know sales progress as a team, and also to keep data quality. And this is very important for the following. The first one is sales managers, sales team or salespersons, business organizations, business owners, booksellers, stationery owners, as well as small business owners can use it. So that's it, and our sales performance can be actually easily updated. And for this data, we use actually random number between 5 and 50, but in actual case, we can use our real data for sales performance, and then we get such a beautiful chart and table to track our progress. So that's it, and thank you very much for coming to our channel Get Data Solution, where we provide different tools to manage business as well as project. In this particular case, we have seen sales using symbols for the sales purpose. Thank you very much, and come once again to get benefit from our channel, and bye bye.